Hi guys, welcome to CodeEazier. First of all, we will discuss the problem statement, then we dive into the solution and we will go for implementation of code. First of all, I will explain the problem statement and I will explain how we implement this. Here, the problem statement is given an array of integers where every element appears twice except for one unique number, find and return the unique number. Here the problem statement states there is a unique number in the array. You need to return that unique number. Here we are seeing this array with 5 numbers: 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. Here unique number is 5. Why it is repeated only one time? Uh, there are many solutions to find, but here we are coding in an easier way with good time complexity. First of all, let's dive into the solution. Let's dive into the implementation. Okay. First of all, we are implementing this solution using map. In Java, it was called as map. In Python, it is called as dictionary. You will use any language, but implementation was same for all languages. What is first of all, I will explain what is a dictionary or map. A dictionary or map is nothing but a key value pair. What is a key? A key is a unique element. For example, key 1. This key was associated with a value. And next, key 2 and value. This key 1, key 2 must be unique. Okay. Okay. First of all, I will tell the implementation, how we implement this. First of all, we will store all these elements into map. Okay. In the first iteration, we will take the element 2. First of all, we will take all the elements in the array as keys, and the repetition of each element will be taken as value. You will understand in further by explaining for my explanation. First of all, we are taking the number 2. First of all, we will check is 2 exist in the map? No, 2 was not existed in map. So 2 is nothing but key. And how much time 2 appeared? We will check for this only. And how much time 2 will appear? One time. So we specify 1. In the next iteration, by default we have key 2 and its value is 1. And next we go for element 3. Here 3 is another number. So we create this 3 as key and we assign the value 1. And next, in the third iteration, we will check for third number 5. And here we are checking is there 5 is existed in these keys? No, 5 was not existed. So we will add the key 5 and its value 1. Why we assign the value 1? Because 5 existed up to this time for one time only. So we assigned 1. And next we came to number 3. Now we check. Sorry. Now we check. Is 3 existed in the map? Yes, 3 is existed in the map. So we will increment the value of 3 by 1. So the value become 2. And for the fifth iteration, we got the value 2. And we will check in the map. Is 2 existed? Yes, it existed. So we will increment the value of 2. So it was being incremented to 1 to 2. Okay. After the 5 iteration, all elements of array were being iterated. Now here we write a condition for which key we got the value as 1, that number is unique number, so we should return that number. Okay, let us dive into the solution. I am creating a Java file. And I am writing the public class. I am initializing the array by default values. I am taking these values only. And we are using map. To use map, we should import map in java.util package. Now we are using for each loop to store the array elements into the map. First of all, we will create an instance for map. Integer comma integer means, I will tell one minute. I am using linked HashMap. Here this integer specifies key and this integer specifies value. I am using for each loop. Int element array. First of all, I told that first we check is element is existed in the map. Map dot contains key. We will check if that element is existed or not. First, if not existed, let us we think 2. No. First map dot contains key 2. No, it was not existed. So it will cursor goes to else statement and it will execute map dot put of ELE 2 comma 1. Okay. And for 3, oh no, it was not existed 3 comma 1. And 5, no, it was not existed 5 comma 1. For 3, yes, it was existed. Map dot contains key means it will true. It was true. So it will goes into for loop. What we do? We will increment the value of 3 by 1. So what we do? Map dot put of first of all ELE, which is nothing but 3, map dot get, which means get of ELE means, which means map dot get of 3 means it will brought the value of 3. It will brought the value 1 because 3 existed at key before. In before iteration its value was 1. So 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. Now the map was updated as 3 is to 2. Next 2 is to 2. For the last iteration all array elements were being completed, so it will come out of loop. I will show to you how the elements were being stored in the map. For compilation, Java C unique number dot Java. Oh, it was successfully compiled. Now we will run the class file 223251. Yes. Now again we now the approach I will tell is, first of all we will retrieve the keys of map, which is nothing but we will retrieve 2, 3, 5. So int key is equal to map dot key set, which will retrieve the keys of map. Then we check map dot get of that key was equal to 1. For example, map dot get of 2 means it will retrieve the value of this key 2 value, which is nothing but 2. So here 2 was repeated 2 times. So if will become false and it will go for another key 3 and it will check map dot get of 3. So it brought the value as 2 equal to 1, false. So it will just go for next key. Now next is 5, map dot get of 5, which brought value as 1 equal to 1. Yes, true. So true, we got true. So system dot out dot print ln, sorry, println. After finding the key, we should break. Okay, we will got the value, unique value 5. Thank you for seeing this channel. If you liked my video means, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.